Here is my before shot of my little 10 by 20 shop that I do refinish and make furniture in as of right now, but I trash it. So in doing something different in my life, I need to set this up to be functional for me now. And here it is now with the added project piece I'm about to paint. Just lots of space that's needed for furniture that's waiting to be painted, and a shelf to put stuff on that I need to just grab. I love it.